Hi Virgo, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 6th of June. Before I go ahead with the video, I just want to call all out and say that I'm really sorry. I was not able to create videos in the month of May, and that is because of 3 deaths in my family because of the COVID situation that we have in India. Now, I'm really sorry. I know a lot of you messaged me and you wanted to check what's happening and why those videos were not coming out on time. So again, I really apologize. I was a little stuck with this personal emergency. However, now the things have improved a little bit and I'm trying to get back to my YouTube channel and create these videos on time. So I just wanted to call out and really apologize for those videos which didn't come out in the month of May. So without wasting a lot of your time, let's quickly go ahead and jump and see what this particular week has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is the World card. You have the 5 of Wands and the 7 of Cups. Your person has the Wheel of Fortune, the Devil card and the Knight of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I have the Fool card, which is the Aries energy. It could be either you or your person who is in this Fool energy, or you could be dealing with an Aries right now. Now what I see here is you have the World card. With that, it means that you have to complete some cycle. If you are already stuck in an old cycle, before you start a new cycle in your life, you need to go ahead and close that. And till the time you don't close this, there's a lot of stress that you will go through, okay, because you will be dependent on somebody else. With the 5 of Wands, it's like your happiness depends on others, okay? So you need to go ahead and close this chapter, and only then you will be able to move forward. When you move forward, I see that you will definitely explore. You will go ahead and meet new people. So with the 7 of Cups, you will have a lot of people around you, and then you can maybe eventually choose. Now what I see for your person is they have the Wheel of Fortune. So there's something that they are expecting to change and move in their favor, okay? So they are expecting the Wheel of Fortune to go ahead and change and make things a little more positive for them. But what I see here is this person has a Devil energy. With that, there could be something negative that's around them, or it could be a kind of behavior that they have, okay? It could be sex, drug, alcohol, or negative people around them that's impacting this entire situation. They definitely have a lot of love for you. With this Knight of Cups energy, they want to rush in, tell you that they have feelings for you, but that cannot happen, and this can't be something very stable till the time they don't let go of this Devil energy. Now let's go ahead and quickly see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. So the first card that I see here is the 2 of Wands, which could mean that this person had 2 options, and that's why they need to close the old cycle in order to begin the new one. The next one that I see here is the Page of Swords. So they want to go ahead and start with that childlike energy that a person can have. They want to start small with that energy, and they want to be very honest. They want to tell you whatever they were hiding. So at one point in time, they will start small, but they will at some time, okay, they will rush in and they will try to go ahead and tell you that this is exactly what happened, this is something that I was not telling you, and this is the reason why it took so much time for me to decide and fix things at my end. Now let's go ahead and take one card here, which is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this entire situation. So the crystal that I see here is the clear quartz, which is exactly this particular crystal. The clear quartz crystal says that, what is it that you don't understand? Are you missing the point? It is the time to gain clarity and have a clearer picture of what is truly going on within you and around you. Decide that you want to see the bigger picture, get focused and stay focused. Meditation and contemplation will help you see the greater perspective from varying points of view. The message here from Archangel Michael, I'll put that in the description box. You can read it out from there. Now that's all I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.